understand that this has been used in the national health system. And therefore, non-initiation of Covishield is a discriminatory policy and does impact on those of our citizens traveling with it.
원래는 저번 이제 그 교섭 이런 그
ଖାଇବ ଏବେ ଖାଇବ ଆଗ ପାଚି ଖାଇଲେ ଖାଇବ। ହଁ ରଖିଦେବେ